John Schmier and I spent the morning assembling the multi-touch wall. Everything seems to be in place, and now it's just a question of calibrating the device. Software architect Ben Cochran is practicing working with Mudbox, which is one of the technologies we'll be showing in the discovery area for Autodesk Labs. We will also have video running on the sides of the touch wall. We've got that running.
Sorry, we're running.
Running on both sides of the touch wall. Doing some last minute adjustments using Mudbox. We're all learning how to use the tool. You can see we've got the panels on the touch wall as assembly is essentially complete.